Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Derwent Precision Mechanical Pencil. This is a 0.7 mm HB pencil. I'm pretty excited about it. I really like the packaging and the pencil looks really nice too. I got it I think for around $3.99 on Amazon. You could always look out for some deals. So let's unbox and see. So it comes with the pencil. It's a little heavy. I did not expect it to be this heavy. It's like holding I think 3 or 4 regular pencils. It does not already have a lid, so I will. Oh, it does have a lid already inside. Yep, it does have a lid already inside. Seems to be coming out. So I think there's like a broken lid. Okay, so I'm now going to try and add another one. So anyway, so we have let me explain the parts to you. Here is the eraser at the back, and I really like that they've given us 3 extra erasers. I now have to figure out how to keep it carefully. So I guess storing this is going to be a little bit of a challenge for me. I wish they had probably given like a small box, but I'll just have to figure out some tiny box and keep these safely. So that's nice because these erasers do tend to get dirty really fast and probably also break really fast. So now let's add a lid. You have to basically I think press this. Yep. And there's a set that comes out, but this is pretty good. A lot of these tend to break. Hopefully this one will not. Yep. Let's try out now how this pencil is. If it's sharp, if it's dark. It writes quite well. I'm going to make like a couple of quick sketches. It's very smooth. It does well with hatching, shading. Even for the light strokes. This is how I feel with this pencil. I quite like it. I am really happy about getting this. I don't know why it had like a broken lid inside, but I'm quite happy with this. And I also got these refill 0.7 mm, and in that I've got a HB and I've also got a 2B. So you can see that I have these two. Once I think this is going to be slightly darker, so I'm quite excited about getting all of these, and I'm going to make a lot of sketches with these. So if you're somebody who's looking to invest into a nice precision pencil in terms of mechanical, then this is a very, very good buy. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notifications every time I put up a new video. See you.